This is my 2015 Chevrolet Corvette. It's a car I bought new in December of 2014. I love it. It's such a great car. Got a stick shift and powerful engine. But a few years ago it developed a creaking sound that sounded like it was coming from up here in the windshield. A creaking as if the glass is going to break or something. That wasn't the case. The glass wasn't the problem, but by searching on the internet I found out what the problem was, and I'm going to show you some remedies for that. Okay, I'm going to take the roof panel off now, and I'll carry it inside and put it on a soft surface and show you how you can take care of this noise problem. The problem has to do with the locating pins, the two locating pins on the front of the roof panel. I'll show you. Here's the roof panel turned upside down. You can see the three latches, the rear latch and the two front latches there and here. Now it's the front locator pins that I feel like is what makes the noise. I think it's that the locator pin is fairly snug inside the socket on top of the windshield, but you hit a bump and there's some movement there that produces a racket. And so if you can put rubber around the pins, that will cushion the two surfaces and also make it a tighter fit. So I'll show you how to do that. The way I understand it is the 2014 and 2015 Corvettes that have this noise coming from the front locator pins and latches. One remedy is to put these O-rings, put two O-rings over each of the two front locator pins. It looks like that. Another fix is to put a short latex rubber tube over both the front locator pins. Just got to push that on. Now this is what I've got on my own Corvette, are these rubber tubes, and it works great to get rid of that terrible sound. So it looks like that. It's not much, but just that'll make the difference. So both remedies, it seems like, I've heard that people say they have this creaking or rattling sound in the hot summer. Mine was mainly in the winter time when it got very cold. There was this creaking going on, and I've had this type, the rubber tubes on both front locator pins on my car for a little more than a year, and no creaking. So it's a great thing. Now I'm putting the rubber tube on the other locator pin. If you're interested in buying the correct size latex rubber tube and also the O-ring remedy, I'll have a link in the description under this video where you can do that.